New at 10 as life starts to slowly resemble normal after coronavirus restrictions. Many people are wondering how long it will be until we have a coronavirus vaccine. WAAY 31's Will Robinson-Smith spoke with some of the industries waiting for a vaccine and local scientists helping to develop a potential one.
Well, Dan, businesses like theater companies are largely left in the dark right now, waiting for a vaccine that will help them determine when their doors can open to the public and how people will feel comfortable being among a large group of folks.
Basically, we're just taking it 1 week at a time, and we're also unfortunately having to think of a lot of contingency plans and think about the what-ifs.
Megan Carter is the advancement director for Fantasy Playhouse. She says while they've received some federal assistance, they've been struggling to stay afloat under the current coronavirus safety restrictions.
We can't keep kids limited to 10 in one room and 10 in another because they'd still have to cross in the halls for lunch or for the bathrooms or whatever. So honestly, if we are still having this issue come fall, that's a little bit of a scarier path that we are hoping we won't have to go down.
Huntsville scientist Dr. Dan Carter is working with Minnesota-based Predictive Oncology to help develop a vaccine that would provide strong immunity to the coronavirus.
The question will be over time, what is the durability of the vaccine, meaning how long will it last? Will you have to have a booster in a year, or is it a lifetime? And you just don't know till you actually do the clinical studies and follow it for long periods of time.
The process is based on a nanoparticle technology that was developed here in Huntsville. Dr. Carter says it's already in production to be used in a clinical trial. As far as how the vaccine works, think of it in terms of Legos. So when the DNA from the nanoparticle enters the body, it causes cells to create proteins. Think of smart Legos that will self-assemble into what ultimately becomes the vaccine. Dr. Carter says if approved, mass production wouldn't be an issue.
That size in a period of about 2 to 3 days could generate enough raw material for the vaccine for 20 million people.
As far as the timeline for the clinical trials, Dr. Carter says they could enter into phase 1 as early as this fall and potentially even sooner than that. Reporting live in Huntsville, Will Robinson-Smith, WAAY 31 News.